So the first reason, of course, you would want to remove your windshield is if it's broken, just like this one. It has a nice long crack running horizontal right in front of passenger vision. It's also got a big chip right there. So this is definitely got to be replaced. And you might be saying, but Kent, my windshield's fine. It doesn't have any cracks. But there's another reason you may need to remove the windshield. It's the seal. Look at how this seal has deteriorated. If you're having problems with getting moisture in the front of your car, you don't know where it's coming from, it's probably leaking through the seal and weeping down onto the floor. So this is another reason you may have to end up removing the windshield and replacing the front seal. Well, you look at this, and from 4 to 5 feet away, it doesn't look too bad, but this one has been messed up as well. Look at it. Somebody bent this and they tried to straighten it. This is not straightened. I don't care how hard, you'll never get the waves out of it if you bend it and try to restraighten. Look at all the waves in this. Now, some people, they don't care, but some people care about their car, and this is not acceptable. Do not expect new windshield replacement technicians to understand this problem. When you run into a windshield like this where they've used gobs of sealant, it becomes a real tough job. You've got to do a lot of cutting. You have to get some serious cutting tools as well. You have to be really careful, get everything cut. All that goo and rubber cut away before you lift that aluminum out, or you're going to bend it. Since the whole theme of this video is not to bend this aluminum, look at this. Even after getting the glass out, this is so glued in that it won't even budge now. Do not take a hold of this and try to reef it out. You'll absolutely ruin it. So we're gonna have to come back in here with a knife, cut here, cut here. We're gonna make it so we just lift the aluminum out. Use great care here. You cannot believe how easily this bends. In spite of how much glue the previous windshield installer used, we still had a leak right here. And I had moisture down here, and you can see where it's rolling up and going in there. This is a very common area. Now I want you to realize that we've got more work to do here. And because you use that really hard sealant, I use a softer sealant, we've got some scraping to do. But look, this is what you want to do. Don't let all this junk fall into the car, and particularly don't let it fall down your defroster vents. So take a little time and kind of use some cardboard to seal this off. And we're gonna have to do some serious scraping now to get some of this hardened glue off here. Try to minimize scraping off the paint when you do this. This is pretty good. I mean, I've seen worse, and it's not rusty, but we've got to get this cleaned off here before we set the new windshield in place.